Dear students, I shall discuss about the rate of the reaction. Rate of reaction, that is, I shall discuss the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. Rate of reaction determine the concentration of reactant decreasing in unit time, and also the rate of concentration of the product increasing in unit time. That is rate of the reaction. Let us consider a equation. Let us consider a equation A to B, where A is the reactant and B is the product. At the time, concentration of the reactant decreases, and at the same time, the product of this reaction is increases in unit time. If you shown in a figure, concentration versus time, then concentration of the reactant decreases and concentration of the reactant increases. In this tangent slope dc by dt negative, and here tangent dx by dt, rate of product increases in time t. Let us consider concentration A1 decreases at time t1, and at the time t2 concentration of reactant A2, then rate is equal to A2 minus A1 is divided by T2 minus T1. That is, del A is divided by del T, where A1 is greater than A2. That is, at the initial time, the concentration of the reactant is high. When the reaction starts at the initial time, the concentration of reactant is high. At the decrease of reactant, product of the reaction increases, or dt is dA divided by dt, where A is the molar concentration. Again, if x1 product of the reaction at T1 and x2 is the product of the reaction at time T2, then x2 minus x1 is divided by T2 minus T1, that is, del x is divided by del T. That is the rate of the reaction in case of product. So that dC by dt is equal to plus dx by dt is the rate of the reaction in terms of concentration, in terms of product. The concentration of the reactant decreases in time dt, and concentration of the product increases in time dt. If we consider a reaction A, B, C, C and D, then 1 by A, concentration of A divided by dt is equal to 1 by B, concentration of B divided by dt is equal to concentration C dC is divided by dt equal to concentration of 1 by D into D molar constant D and dt. This is the rate of the reaction of this symbolic reaction. If we consider hydrogen and iodine reacts together to form hydroiodic acid, in this special case, in this special reaction, the rate of the reaction, concentration of molar concentration of hydrogen is divided by dt equal to molar concentration of I2 divided by D2 is equal to 1 by 2 molar concentration of hydrogen iodide divided by dt. That is the rate of the concentration in case of hydrogen iodine to form hydroiodic acid. In the case of ammonia and hydrogen to form two molecules of ammonia, here concentration of nitrogen at dt 1 by 3 concentration of hydrogen dt is equal to concentration of ammonia divided by dt. This is the rate of the reaction in case of nitrogen hydrogen with ammonia. So we can write that the determination of rate of the reaction, decrease of the concentration of the reactant in unit time and determination of increase concentration of product in unit time, that is called rate of the reaction. All chemical reaction characterized by the thermodynamics and the consideration of kinetics. Thermodynamics deals about the concentration of the reactant and product, but it does not depend the path of the reaction. But in the case of concentration, kinetic consideration, what amount of reactant converted into product, it does not depend. It is depend on the process of the chemical and physical process where the chemical reaction is done. So that rate of the reaction, to obtain the determination of what molecules to do each other to form product. In the case of this rate of the reaction, amount of the reactant decreases in unit time, and at that time amount of the product is increases. This is the rate of the reaction. Rate of the reaction details the concentration of the product, reactant and product, but laws of mass action, rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the active mass of the reactant. And if we consider of this reaction, the concentration of A is C and concentration of B X, then dx by dt is directly proportional to the concentration of reactant, that is dx by dt equal to Kc, where K is the rate constant, then K is equal to dx by dt divided by C. If C is 1 mole per liter, then K is equal to dx by dt. That is, in 1 mole per liter concentration of the reactant, rate of the reaction is equal to the rate constant. This rate of reaction depends on the factors temperature, pressure, concentration, surface area and light. These factors we can discuss in the next class. Thank you.